Today we're going to learn how to crochet this cute little ghost hair clip. We will be using a 2.0 millimeters crochet hook. Here are the materials you'll need. Take the white yarn. Pick up the crochet hook. Insert it into the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Round 1, crochet 10 single crochets into the magic ring. Insert the hook into the big loop, yarn over, and pull through. That's 1 single crochet. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Continue crocheting single crochets in the remaining stitches. After completing 10 stitches, pull the loop longer, remove the hook, and tighten the magic ring by pulling the short yarn tail. Insert the hook again, remove the stitch marker, and slip stitch to join. That completes round 1. Round 2, chain 2. This counts as height only. We'll make 10 half double crochet increases. Yarn over, insert the hook at the slip stitch point, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's 1 half double crochet. Mark the first stitch. Yarn over. In the same stitch, make another half double crochet. This forms 1 increase. That is 1 set. Repeat this around for 10 groups total. End of the second round. Remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Round 3, chain 2. Yarn over. Work 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase as a set. Repeat 4 times. Place a stitch marker into the first stitch. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the same stitch. That is 1 set. Continue working the remaining 3 sets. After finishing, yarn over the hook. Into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Pull through 2 loops at a time. This is 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet increase. Insert the hook into the same stitch and work another double crochet. This is a double crochet increase. Yarn over the hook twice. Into the next stitch, work 1 treble crochet. Again, pull through 2 loops at a time. This is 1 treble crochet. Into the next stitch, work 1 treble crochet increase. Insert the hook into the same stitch and work another treble crochet. Next, work 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, work 1 half double crochet increase. Finally work 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase as a set. Repeat 3 times. That is 1 set. Continue working the remaining 2 sets. End of the 3rd round. Remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch to join, that's round 3. Round 4. Chain 1 not counted as a stitch. Make 1 single crochet and place a stitch marker. Now crochet 3 groups of 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase. Then make 2 single crochets. Now we'll make the ghost arm, chain 2. Turn back and make 2 half double crochets into the second chain from the hook. This forms the little ghost's small hand. Continue crocheting 8 single crochets along the body. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet. In the following stitch, make 1 treble crochet. One double crochet and 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. Crochet 5 single crochets. Chain 2. Turn back and crochet 2 half double crochets in the second chain. Make 1 single crochet. Then 2 groups of 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase. Remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch to the first stitch, pull up a long loop, cut the yarn, and weave in ends. Cut off the excess yarn. Now take your red yarn. Place it behind the fabric. From the back of the ghost, insert your hook in a suitable spot at the top. Yarn over, pull through, and chain 1 not counted. Crochet 4 single crochets, hiding the yarn tail as you go. Chain 3. Then in the second chain from the hook, crochet 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet. That's the first arm decoration. Crochet 7 single crochets. Then chain 3 again, and in the second chain, crochet 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet. That's the second decoration. Crochet 4 single crochets. Slip stitch. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. Now take a piece of black yarn, use only 2 strands. Tie a knot at the back. Cut the excess, attach the felt and hair clip. Apply a bit of glue to the clip, then stick it to the back of your ghost. Finally, glue on 2 little eyes and add a touch of blush. And that's it, your adorable ghost hair clip is finished.